watching me for the first time, then my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video, I know that it's been a really long time. I've been sick, I got vaccinated and things have been going haywire. I was not well and everything. So one more important thing which I wanted to ask you all, have you all got vaccinated? If not, then please go ahead, book your slots from CoWIN, get yourself registered and please do it. It's absolutely necessary at the moment. So I know that it's been long that I haven't done any videos because I was recovering and I'm still not really well. I've got vaccinated and my hand is still in pain, like I cannot lift it up already. So there will be some sort of pain. It will be like for 3 or 4 days maybe maximum, but still I couldn't help myself, but I have to shoot. So today's video is about an easy breezy makeup look which I think that you all can pull it off at any wedding, any function, any party or anything. It will just go with anything. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So let's begin with today's makeup look. So today's makeup look will be a bit more on the reddish and pinkish tone because I want it to be that way. So today, first off, as you can see that I have made my base and everything. So first I'm going to be taking the Morphe brush, of course. Now you all must know by now, and most importantly today I'll be using the Revolution Petra palette. Now this beautiful Petra palette was gifted to me by Rani, and if many of you are new to my channel, so if you at all you don't know who she is, you better go and check out my, also link down her channel in my description box down below. Definitely go ahead and check her channel out. Amazing stuff she has got. So today I'll be using this Revolution Petra palette. I will be linking every product which I use in the description box down below. So first off, I will be using, this is the Morphe brush. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna cover up my entire, like you can create a look like a cut crease. So I would create my eyes and cover up the lid area of my eyes first off. I wouldn't do the mid part, so you'll gradually come to know what I'm trying to achieve out here. So quickly just gonna take, first off I'm gonna use the shade called Hangry over here. This is a beautiful maroonish and kind of a reddish rustic shade going on here. I'm taking a neutral base without any glitter because I want to create my base first with subtle shade and then we go further towards the glitter shade. So first I'm gonna take my Morphe brush and take this shade. This is a beautiful shade. I've also swatched on this palette, so if you guys haven't checked it out already, I will link it somewhere on the screen. So first off, I'm gonna quickly do I'll just quickly cover up my lid. So as you can see that it is amazingly pigmented palette, and that is why I use this palette. So I'm gonna take this and quickly cover up my lid. Just see that I've just only dabbed once and it is doing my entire eye out already. So it's almost done. Next I'm going to do my other eye as well. It's super pigmented. You see how I cut creased the whole section and then I'm filling in. So both of my covering up the lid area is done. It's a very quick and easy kind of a tutorial look which you all can achieve. Now Another major important, I'm using a different brush of Morphe. Now once you're gonna put the glitter eyeshadow or the cut crease makeup look which we all achieve, I'm gonna do more of cut crease and smoky eye makeup looks further. Let me know if you guys are interested in it or not. So what I'm trying to say is that in the mid section I will be putting up my glitter eyeshadow. So if you want, you can use any makeup foundation which you use on the brush and brush it off that particular section and then put the glitter eyeshadow. If you want, you can do that. For my base, I have used Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. So for me, I don't really require it, so that is just in case if you guys want. So this is in the shade Neutral Medium N220. This is the shade which I use. So if you all want, you can do that, but I genuinely don't use it on my eyeshadow. So next up which we are gonna use is Double Tap from this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take some bits of it because it's glitter and you don't want much of glitter on your eye right now. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna fill in the mid section. As you all can see, it's already creating kind of a halo effect. Now while applying eyeshadow, now what I have noticed is that many of you all might be vigorous on your eyes, right, while applying it with your brush. So one tip is that always be gentle while applying eyeshadow on your eyes because you really don't want to hurt your eye in any sort of way. So this eye is done. Next I'm gonna do my other eye. Now you can see that this eyeshadow palette has already been used so much that some of the colors are used so many times that it has, like, I think that probably after 5 or 6 more swatches it's gonna go. So I'm quickly gonna do the same for this eye as well. Please mind the light today because it's raining outside and the light is really bad. So both of my eyes are done and I like it already. Next I'm gonna take another brush, the small little brush. This is from Miniso. I've already done unboxing and haul video on Miniso brushes. If you haven't checked it out already, I will link it somewhere on the screen. So next I'm gonna take the silver shade from here. Take the silver shade, only a bit, not really much of it because I don't want to exaggerate my glitter part already. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take it from the inner section and just gonna spread it out like you spread out some wings. So it will just give up that highlighted effect on your eyes. I really loved it. It's like, you know, some kind of light, some kind of rainbow is blossoming from the inner eyes. I really loved it. I'm quickly just going to take a bit more, only a bit more, not much. I'll zoom in this part for you all to understand as to what I'm trying to achieve over here, and I hope that you all will love it. These are some few tricks and tips which nobody would tell you in a very vague way, but these are very small tips and tricks which would make your eye makeup look oomph out. So yeah, my makeup makeup look is done. And I'm quickly just gonna do my eyeliner, the basic eyeliner, and coming back to you guys. So my makeup look is done, and the last step which is left. Now many a times I get this question ki Di, which lipstick are you wearing? Many a times, like there are so many instances I've been asked. Now for this time I'm using the Maybelline in the shade 691 Rich Ruby, the creamy matte lipstick. Now today I'm going to be using this one. So let's just quickly dive in. Now most of the times I use like 2 lipsticks or 3 lipsticks, but this time I'm going to be using only one. Video guys, I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video thoroughly, and please excuse if you all find any noise because it's raining outside and probably the raindrops ka noise will be there in the video, so please excuse that part. And also, as I mentioned earlier, I will be doing a lot more of cut crease makeup looks and bit of smoky eye makeup looks. I will be doing that. So if you all are interested, do let me know in the comment section down below, and also keep subscribing and supporting. It would just mean a lot. A lot more exciting things are coming up on my channel. You will soon get to know, you will soon get to see, and a lot more videos. I have like so many things to shoot. So keep loving and stay safe, stay positive, get yourself vaccinated. Till then, bye.